question will go for Mark and our two directors. Paano nyo ba na envision itong inyong finale? Ano yung pinlano itong finale week natin? Mark, ikaw muna. Sige.
This is a culmination of na maraming bagay na nai-set up namin dito sa mula pa nung simula. This is maraming mga matatanong na mga kasagutan at maraming mga masasarang mga nabuksan na mga thread of stories that we started since pilot. But most importantly, it will give the audience the ending, yung appreciation of the richness ng mythology na na-set up namin. And quite possibly, even if it's at a close, even if it's closing, it's gonna open a lot of possibilities also in terms
parang
of
open-ended, parang ganyan
mythology,
ba?
etc.
Okay, yun ay story-wise. Sa ating mga director, execution naman, anong ma-expect namin sa finale week?
This is the settlement of all of the conflicts that we have created. So, pagdating naman sa mga bagani, dito nila ilalabas yung pinaka nahuhuli nilang mga lakas at galing para ma-justify yung lahat ng paghihirap natin from the duration of the show. So we would attempt to level up everything to close the show with a bang.
Alright. Derek?
Siguro po yung aral na makukuha nila na ang mga bagani ay hindi lamang para sa mga superhero, hindi para sa ating mga normal na tao. Yun ang pwedeng mapulot ng mga tao. Despite of all the weather conditions, di ba, yun challenges namin to execute the scenes. Para rin kami mga baganing nadirigma na lumalaban doon sa mga challenges na yan.
Actually, gusto kong i-congratulate ang lahat ng cast ng production team because grabe daw ang inyong effort at ang inyong, yes, Enrique, you wanna say something?
Yeah, tsaka yung mga kasama po namin sa set, sila talaga yung naghihirap din. Mga director natin, mga writer, they're the reason behind also the success of Bagani.
Rain or shine, shoot.
Yeah. So, thank you sa kanila.
Wow. Okay. First question, Aaron. Simulan na natin. Ayan.
Okay, congratulations sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Bagani. Our first question will come from the original Babaylan.
Ay!
The sultry Alex Brosses.
To Enrique and Liza.
Wow.
Do I need to...
Music.
Para makita ka lang, Alex, nila. Thank you. Yan.
I believe that
Miss Q&A.
that Bagani is of epic proportion. Having said that, do you think do you think it has changed the landscape of television viewing?
I think it gave, like what he said, it gave a little, kahit it's ending, it opened a lot of doors, I think, for other shows to do in the future. Kasi we're also used to doing, we're used to doing type of the same shows. So to do something new for us, it's also not only challenging, but it challenges us as an actor, It's something new, and I think it's also good that we experiment and venture out and from our safe zone. So I think this is a good start for ABS-CBN.
Liza?
I just have the same answer as him. For me, I feel like this is a good stepping stone, like the experience that we got from shooting this show and yung mga aral na nakuha namin, like the techniques, the technicalities behind shooting, behind taping this show. At least next time pag gumawa na ulit sila ng teleserye na medyo kagaya ng ganito, they have an advantage kasi alam nila kung saan magsisimula, kung ano yung mga dapat i-add or dapat hindi i-add.
I think we just have a wider range of shows that we can also, show the viewers and show the people. So it's also good for ABC, So yeah, proud now.
More than beauty for you, ganda, and more than strength for you, lakas. what did your roles epitomize?
I think hindi naman talaga nawawala ang puso ng character ng lahat. I think from the start till the end, I think that's a strength that we all have. You know, not only as Filipinos, I think as bilang mga Bagani, and as people, and as humans, I think that's the strongest power we have. We will do anything for love. So I think that's very strong.
Yes, lahat po ng mga characters sa Bagani, ang pinaka-strength nila is their love, not only for one another, but also for their country, for yung mga angkan nila. So, I think that's what Bagani stands for, love.
Last lang. Since you are in the finale week, will there be some sense of predictability in this week's episode, or will you veer away from that notion?
Si Mark yata
I think
makakasagot or
hindi, may mga surprise din kami na konti, but yeah, predictability feeling ko hindi masyado. Sana hindi. Pero minsan ang gagaling ng mga fans eh. Di ba namalabas sa Twitter, alam na nila, paano nila nalaman kung ano mangyayari. So, we'll see. Sana.
Thank you, Alex. Advance mag-isip ang tawag doon. Advance mag-isip ng mga fans. Ang question ko, before we give the microphone to Dominic Rhea, ang question ko lang doon sa kasama nila, Ken and Liza, how is it being part of Bagani, and yung characters nyo din, anong din ang parang napulot nyo rin doon? Dimples, ikaw?
Ako siguro parang, well, as for Babaylan was really quite a big surprise for me. You know, when we have been in the business for quite a long time, it's very rare that you get surprised, no? So, I love how Bagani and Babaylan has surprised my inner self, my inner actor. Parang, I didn't realize that I had that lighter bone in me, that it was possible to mix in the depth of your character, but at the same time have a light heart. I think that's the best mix of Babaylan, because she comes from a very deep, very painful past, and yet you see her now and she's more relaxed, she's taking in the life that she has been given, and I think we can take a lot from that, from Babaylan, na lahat tayo, meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan in the past that we can let go of and just, be a lighter version of ourselves. And, being with the Bagani people, and I only speak not only of, everybody on stage, but also everybody here, our whole Bagani family, and even the ones, yung mga boys, yung mga kuya namin sa set, lahat sila para sa akin mandirigma because it's raining, it's hot, it's raining and then it's hot, it's raining and hot at the same time, and yet you don't see anybody complaining. And I think that's the best part of being in this show, is that we all have that same heart for one another, and alam mo, ramdam na ramdam mo the goodness that goes around in the set. Marami kaming mga pinagdadaanan. Pero that was not, an issue for everyone because we were all there and we knew what we wanted to give for the show. Okay. That was clear.
Thank you, Dimples. Matt, ikaw naman, how is it being part of this show?
First off, on the set with Dimples, all of us look up to her.
Nesesensya na kayo
Of how...
Iba din magsalita no? Talagang parang may gravitas talaga.
Alam mo, nagiging mabait si Mateo sa akin kasi natatakot na siya. Baka kung anong isplok ko. Baka may masabi ako na hindi maganda. Huwag kang mag-alala.
I'm really speaking from my heart.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Bigyan mo lang ako ng Nivea Deep. Pwede na. Bigyan mo lang ako ng Nivea. Tsaka yung jeans mo, hindi ko nasasabihin kung ano yung
Pero we would appreciate it if it's splok mo na total final week.
No, anyways, all of us look up to Dimples, not just the actors but also the people behind the camera. What was the question again?
How is it being part of Bagani, Mateo?
We shot this last year in Ilocos, and it was an adventure talaga. Last year, di ba? 2 years ago.
Last year, March.
Early last year, right? Shooting in Ilocos, it was incredible because the sets they built there, the production team that they built, the sets talaga was like 5 different kinds of cities. It was incredible. People go there to look at the sets even. It's become a tourist spot. And as the show went, we moved to Manila and everything, and it was just an adventure. It wasn't easy at all, but the challenge was something that we all learned so much from. Kumbaga. Learning from Direk Lester, he's an action director. He brought the action scenes to a different level. He brought the stunt 360 that came in to make the whole scenes different things. You can see people flying, kumbaga hitting the walls, and masasabi ko, paano ginawa nito, no? Bumbulong-bulong ako. But, things like that. The scriptwriter, Sir Richard, with his dramatic scenes, astig. Sir Richard, Direk Richard muna. I'm not yet, I'm coming to Mark. And Sir Mark, yung Tagalog niya, sobrang nahirapan ako dito. At first when we started the show, sabi ng promo, don't say that you're having a hard time with the language, but I'm really having a hard time with the language. Lacam's language is very, very deep, and I get the headache every day on the set. But with the team, they make everything better, and especially this team, these beautiful women here, they make everything better. So Bagani is a great journey and something to never forget, kumbaga.
Alright. Zijan, ikaw naman.
Para po sa akin, this is my first po fantasy series, so medyo nahirapan lang po, pero sa tulong po nila Direk Richard, nila Sir Mark, nila Direk Lester, sobrang nakakasya po agad ako. And sa mga co-actors ko po, kahit medyo mahirap lang, kasi first time ko po makatrabaho sila, Kuya Ken and Ate Liza, pero naging close naman po agad kami as Tita Dimples.
Yeah. Tita Dimples.
Alam mo, malamang lagot kayo talaga sa akin sa taping, talaga.
Hindi lang siya babae lang sa Bagani, babae lang din siya sa totoong buhay. So sobrang dami po niyang mga advices na nabigay niya sa amin and natulong niya. Yun, kaya thank you Tita Dims and kay Kuya Mateo sa lahat ng mga kabalas na gagawin.
Tingnan mo! Siya, alam mo, nagkamali ka ng hinilot. Dapat pala siya.
So thank you very much. Ay Kuya Makin, first time din po namin magkatrabaho, pero first nung pagbalik mo galing Australia. Tsaka sobrang salamat po ko sa team na to kasi kahit yung production, sobrang hirap po ng ginagawa namin everyday. Hindi po nawala yung ngiti namin sa kada araw na taping kahit gaano kahirap. And yung saya po sa set. Yan po.
And si Makisig naman.
Well, masasabi ko lang, sobrang thankful ako and grateful sa production na to dahil nga ito yung comeback ko from Australia. Kahit nalalayo ako sa family ko, I have second family here in I call this family talaga dahil parang kasi si Ate Dims po kasi matagal ko na po kasi naging mom yan ever since. True. And ang dami niya talagang mga advice na sinasabi sa akin and ito nga, itong mga kapatid ko, tinutuloy ko silang mga family talaga. At the same time, sobrang galing ng production team. Lagi silang nandyan, nagpapaalala sa amin. Sobrang laging nagpapaalala. Let's go na po. Paano na set? Let's go.
Ayun pa rin paalala.
Ilang minutes po? Ilang minutes po kayo?
Sa room niya.
Ay, pag hindi siya nagigising.
Ha? Next, yun nga, ako lang din po mag-isa. Pero okay lang. Bali naman, ayun, maraming salamat din na kay Direk Richard, Direk Lester, and Sir Mark for this show. And Tita Saki, and Chades. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Let's proceed with the question ni Dominic.
Yes, partner. Ito, ang peg niya si Matadora. Wala na, si Go.